Hello everyone, welcome to Go Get My Guru. In this session, let's discuss about while loop. In Python, while loops are used to implement iteration operations. So what are iteration operations? Iteration is nothing but the block of statements which are executed repeatedly. So what exactly the definition of while loop? While loops are used to execute a block of statements repeatedly until a given condition is satisfied. So while making use of while loops, we will give a condition. If the condition is satisfied, a block of statements are executed. If condition fails, then other set of statements are executed. So what is the syntax for this while loop? Syntax for while loop is you will give while and then mention the condition. If the condition is true, the statements following that condition are executed. Many of us use our mobile phones to listen to songs. Just think of a playlist. How it works. When you click on a playlist or play any song in that particular playlist, the songs in that playlist will be repeatedly played until a user is instructed to stop the playlist or if playlist reaches its end. So let's take this scenario where we'll create a songs playlist and then we'll make use of while loop. So let's see how we can implement this playlist scenario in Python. Let's consider a songs playlist is equal to, I'll take a list here. So this playlist consists of songs by many singers. Let's say we'll have Lata Mangeshkar, we'll have Rafi, and then let's say we have Kishore Kumar, and let's say we have SPB. So to make this playlist to stop playing songs, we have to take user input. So let's take user underscore key is equal to, we'll input the user choice. So we'll make use of input function here, enter your choice. So now let's take one variable here. You will be thinking why I am taking this variable. You will understand now why I am taking this. So now let's make use of while loop here. While I is less than or equal to length of the playlist and user underscore key is equal to yes. So what I am doing here, I am checking whether playlist is reaching end of the list or whether user is pressing no button here to stop the playlist. So now let's say we'll print this playlist in these two conditions. Next we'll increment I. So I plus is equal to 1. So here we have songs underscore playlist as our playlist name. So let's give the same name here, songs underscore playlist. Now else, if user is telling to stop the playlist, then we'll print stop playing songs. Let's run this and check what we will get. So here you can see that it is asking us to enter our choice. I'll enter S now. That is, continue to play the song. I am not interrupting to playing the song. So here you can see that songs are being printed. That is, our list is being printed. For time being, assume that these are our songs which are being played repeatedly. So once your condition becomes false, the statement following this while loop is executed. So the statement was, after this while loop was stop playing the song. So after playing all these songs, it is telling stop playing the songs. Let's go back to code and discuss. So what happens here is, here you can see that if songs playlist does not reach end of the list and user does not press stop button, playlist will be printing. That is, songs will be playing. Else, once this condition becomes false, that is, what is the length of our playlist? Length of our playlist is 4. So once this variable I become 4, while loop will be stopped. Now, can I use if condition in this while block? Yes, of course you can use. Let's check how we can make use of if condition here. So here I'll put one if condition. If I is equal to 3, then I'll give break. Now let's run this and check what we will get. So here you can see that it is asking us to enter our choice. Here I will again enter S. So now you can see that this list is getting printed only 3 times because here I am giving a if condition. I hope you are clear now with this. So what we are doing here is, so now let's make use of user key as no. Let's give user key as no. And then what should be our output? Our output should be stop playing songs. Let's check whether we'll get the same thing. Let's run this, enter your choice, and now I'll enter no. So we are getting stop playing songs now. User is stopping the playlist, that's why we are getting a message stop playing songs. I hope you guys are clear with this while loop concept and how to make use of if and break else conditions in this while loop. So the key takeaways of today's session are, we have discussed about while loop. So while loop will be executed until the condition given becomes true, and then we have seen how to make use of break statement, if condition and else condition in while loop. Once we give break statement, even if the condition is true, iteration process stops at that particular time. Thanks for watching. Do like and share our videos. Happy learning. Subscribe to Go Get My Guru channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive regular updates.